Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. When I got up this morning to fish, it was raining outside. I didn't really realize that was in the forecast. But it has stopped now, but I only got a couple of hours before there's a ball game on that I want to watch this morning. Ole Miss versus Auburn, tuning in on ESPN. No, we're not going to win that game. I'm going to watch it anyway. At any rate, we're going to do something a little different this morning. We're going to do a little bank fishing for a couple of hours. And I brought a variety of smaller presentations. I'm only fishing with light spinning tackle this morning. So I got a couple of small jerk baits and some Ned rig and some other small finesse type stuff. And so we're going to give it a shot, and hopefully I can get a couple of catches for you to enjoy. And if I don't, well, you're not going to see this, but if you're watching this right now, there's probably some fish catches coming up. So let's switch over to the chest mount. All right, here we are at stop number one. I've got this little bitty tiny topwater frog tied on. I won it in a giveaway a while back. I've never caught a fish on it, but I got it tied on right now, so I thought I'd throw it for a few times and see if we can get lucky. I'll throw this frog out there a few times. And then if I don't get bit, I'll probably be changing that guy out for a Ned rig or something similar. So what I got tied on now is a little Z-Man tubes with a Z. And I'm just kind of fishing it like a Ned rig. See if I can get bit on it. And I'll spend a few more minutes here at this spot and then move on. I had a fish there, but I think it was just some gunk on the bottom. Oh, that was a fish for sure. All right, let's try a little moving bait for a few casts. This is a little thing. Oh, that hook's getting kind of rusty. I'll throw it around a little bit. Got it on a Roadrunner jig head. It's just a little, probably more like a crappie bait than a bass bait that I got from Cabela's, I think. I'll probably swap this out for a jerk bait here momentarily. I got a fish. Oh, it's a nice little chunker bass too. Oh man, I hope I can land him. Oh no, it's a pike. Oh, he got off. Gosh, that was a big one. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Oh, that was probably about a 24-inch pike. Had a bass follow it all the way up to the shoreline, took a peck at it right before I got it back. If I'd been a little more patient, he might have been able to eat that. Better use the old Palomar knot here. All right, throwing the Catchco punch, and it's already fouled. So see if I can do something about that. That looks better. All right, here we are at my next spot, and I'm gonna throw the jerk bait first, I think. And if I don't have any takers, we'll go back to the little tube. Last time I fished at this spot was way back last December. At least the last time I fished it from the bank. And I believe I caught a little yellow perch. Haven't caught many of those this year. There's a fish. It's a bass. Get up here, buddy. Can't tell you how happy I am to see you. You weren't even hardly hooked, but we're gonna get your picture. Because you advanced me on the road to 33 inches. Not by very much though. All right. Good to go. Get you back in the water. See if there's another one out there. I saw that fish bite. He swooped in and hammered that thing. Whew. Probably should have been throwing this thing all along. I just got bit again, I think. There's a fish. Not very big, I don't think.
pike. Get a pair of pike.